Hello, it's Susan here for Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today we're going to be making the undershirt for Kairi's Kingdom Hearts 3 outfit. For Kairi's undershirt, instead of using a particular pattern for this, I'm just using an old tank top that I already had, turned it right side out, and traced around it to create the pattern. So, traced around it and cut out the back piece, and cut out the front piece out of some white stretch knit. Putting right sides together, so the back of the shirt to the front of the shirt along the side seams. While the shirt is still inside out, we're then going to finish the edge of the shirt by sewing a rolled hem. Then we're also going to do a rolled hem from the pointed side of the shirt all along the back and along back up to the other point. And we're not going to be doing that for the center portion of the shirt because this is where the pink ruffles are going to go. Turn the shirt right side out, and for the pink ruffle along the top, I got some sheer ruffle elastic from my local Joann's, and we're going to put it face down onto the shirt, folding the edges inward, and now we're going to sew it into place. Then we're going to fold the elastic over and top stitch it into place. When I tried on the shirt, I found that the inside ruffles were scratching against my chest and were bothering me, so I took a pair of scissors and snipped off the ruffles, leaving just the ruffles that you see from the outside behind. Since Kairi's straps are covered up by the hoodie, we can't actually see what they look like, so I decided to use the rest of the ruffle elastic since I had so much of it, and we're going to sew it onto either side of the points of the tank top and also on the back of the shirt to have them be the straps. And with that, Kairi's undershirt is done. For more cosplay tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching!